Hello student, I hope you are fit and fine. Dear student, today we will discuss inverse trigonometric function. The formula, the first formulas sin inverse sin x equal to x, cos inverse cos x equal to x, tan inverse tan x equal to x, cot inverse cot x equal to x, sec inverse sec x equal to x, cosec inverse cosec x equal to x. Let us prove. I can prove any one part. If I will prove one part, rest of part will be similar. So you can see the first part. Let sin x equal to y, x equal to sin inverse y, right? And x equal to sin inverse, the value of the y is sin x. So therefore sin inverse sin x equal to x. Okay. Like as you can see now, the second types of formula, cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 upon x, and sin inverse sec inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 upon x, and cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 upon x. These formula are the result of trigonometric formula cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, and cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. We can prove it. Let cosec x equal to y, x equal to cosec y, means you have convert this inverse trigonometric function into trigonometric. Since cosec 1 upon x equal to 1 upon cosec y, 1 upon x equal to 1 upon cosec y means sin y. So sin inverse 1 upon x equal to y, sin inverse 1 upon x equal to y means cosec inverse x, right? Like as we can prove second and third part. Let us see third types of formula. Type third, sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x belong to minus 1 to 1. Cos inverse x equal to cos inverse minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. Cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. And sec inverse minus x equal to pi minus sec inverse x. And cosec inverse minus x equal to minus cosec inverse x. There are three groups of the formula alike, means sin inverse, tan inverse, and cosec inverse are alike, and cos inverse, cot inverse, and sec inverse are also alike. Okay, now I can prove any one part from these two group. From the first group, let us suppose I want to prove sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. Let sin inverse minus x equal to y, minus x equal to sin y, and x equal to minus sin y. Okay, since sin is negative in the fourth quadrant, therefore we can write sin minus y, and you can just take sin in left hand side. It will be sin inverse x equal to minus y, and sin inverse x equal to minus sin inverse y, since the value of y is sin inverse minus x. Or you can write sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. Okay, from the second types, cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x, we have to prove this. Let cot inverse minus x equal to y, minus x equal to cot y, x equal to minus cot y. Okay, since cot is negative in second quadrant, so you can write also cot 180 minus y. You can take cot in the left hand side. It will be cot inverse x equal to pi minus y, and cot inverse and y equal to pi minus cot inverse x, and value of the y, cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x, right? Like as you can just derive some other cos inverse and sec inverse, right? Okay, now come to the next formula, the D type. There are in this type there are different formulas. First one, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. You can learn like the relation between sin and cos, tan and cot, sec and cosec. Okay, next tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Right, this is the result of trigonometric tan a plus b. Likewise, this is the result of trigonometric tan a minus b. And same way, 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. This is the result of sin 2a in terms of tan. Sin 2a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square. 2 tan inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. This is the result of cos 2a in terms of tan. Cos 2 equal to 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. And third one, 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is the result of tan 2a. Tan 2a in terms of tan, 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square. I have also written here tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. Tan 2a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square. And sin 2 equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square. Only a minor difference of plus and minus. You must understand this. And cos 2 equal to 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. Okay, let us prove one by one. Now the proof of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. You can assume anyone from sin x and cos x to y. Let us suppose you are assuming cos inverse x equal to y, x equal to cos y. Means you have converted this into a trigonometric ratio. Inverse trigonometry to trigonometry you have converted by the concept of this. Okay, cos y. Since cos y is since cos y equal to sin 90 minus y, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin theta is all are positive in the first quadrant. So now you can, why I am converting this in the form of sine, because we need also sine inverse. So you will just send this in the left hand side, this sine into a left hand side. So sine inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus y, sine inverse x plus y equal to pi by 2, and sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Right? Like as you can prove tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2, sec inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now let us see tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. My dear student, you can assume, let us suppose tan inverse x equal to a, tan inverse y equal to b, therefore tan a plus b by the formula of trigonometry, tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Right? A plus b equal to tan inverse, send this tan into right hand side, tan inverse tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. A means tan inverse x, b means tan inverse y equal to tan inverse, tan a means x, tan b means y, x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. This proved. Like as you can prove the formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Right? Now, the proof of 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Since sin 2a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Right? Let tan a equal to x, a equal to tan inverse x. So therefore 2a equal to sin inverse 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Implies a means 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Right? It's proved. Like as you can prove 2 tan inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square a. As we know that from the trigonometry, cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square a. Let tan a equal to x, a equal to tan inverse x. So by the help of this formula, cos 2 in place of a you can write tan inverse x equal to 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So 2 tan inverse x equal to, send this cos into right hand side, cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Hence proved. Okay, like as the third part, 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay, you can derive this by the help of the formula tan 2a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Let tan a equal to x, a equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, by help of this formula, tan 2, in place of a, you will put tan inverse x equal to 2x upon 1 minus x square a, and 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square a. Okay, like as we can prove this, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. This is the result of sin a plus b. Same way, sin inverse x minus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse x root 1 minus y square minus y root 1 minus x square. This is a result of sin a minus b. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse xy root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus y square. This is a result of cos a plus b. Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equal to cos inverse xy plus root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus y square. This is a result of cos a minus b. You must also know sin theta equal to perpendicular upon base, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta equal to sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. By help of this, you can convert sin inverse x, cos inverse x into a tan inverse x, right? Any inverse trigonometric ratio into any other trigonometric ratio, right? So let us see how to prove its first part. Okay, sin inverse x, sin inverse x x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. Let, okay, since sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, you can write also sin a, sorry, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, so you can write sin a, right, and cos b equal to root 1 minus sin square b plus cos a equal to root 1 minus sin square a and sin b. You have convert all in the terms of sin. Let sin a equal to x and sin b equal to y, right? Therefore, a equal to sin inverse x and b equal to sin inverse y. Now, from this trigonometric formula, you can write sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin a means x root and 1 minus sin b means y square plus y root 1 minus x square. You can just send this in the right hand side. Sin implies sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. This is the required the derivation of a given formula. Okay, like as you can prove this by the help of sine A minus B. This you can prove by the help of cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. This you can prove by the help of cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Right, my dear student, I hope you understand this. Okay, now I will tell you how to convert sine inverse x into tan inverse x. My dear student, you know that, let us suppose this is sine inverse x. Sine theta, as we know that sine theta equal to, since sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Therefore, in the respect of the sine, perpendicular is x and hypotenuse is 1. So, by the help of the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse square 1 square, base you have to find out, perpendicular x square. So base square equal to 1 minus x square, base equal to square root of 1 minus x square. So you can write root 1 minus x square. Right? Now the conversion of this sine inverse x in respect of the tan inverse x, tan inverse x equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular means P upon B equal to perpendicular, it means tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is x upon base is root 1 minus x square. So therefore sine inverse x in terms of tan inverse x may be written here x upon root 1 minus x square. So you can convert any trigonometric ratio, any inverse trigonometric function into any other trigonometric function by the help of this right angle triangle. So thank you very much, my dear student. I hope you will understand this. Thank you once again. Have a nice day ahead. I hope that you will be positive. Thank you very much.